What if KTM is about to drop one of the most versatile motorcycles we've ever seen? A mysterious bike was just spotted testing in Europe, and this one, it's not your typical KTM. This is the upcoming 2026 KTM 990 SMT, and it might completely change how we look at street touring bikes. Alright, so here's the deal. This isn't a naked bike like the 990 Duke, and it's definitely not a full-on adventure bike either. The 990 SMT sits right in the middle. It's got that supermoto attitude, mixed with touring comfort, and backed by KTM's signature performance DNA. Basically, this is the kind of bike you ride to work during the week, and then absolutely destroy twisty roads on the weekend. Let's talk power. This machine is expected to run the same 947 cubic centimeters parallel twin LC8C engine from the 990 Duke. We're looking at around 120 horsepower, which is already more than enough to get you into serious trouble. But here's the interesting part. Unlike the Duke, which is aggressive and raw, the SMT will likely be tuned to feel smoother and more controlled. So yeah, it's still fast, but now it's built to handle long rides without wearing you out. Think of it as performance with a brain. Now this is where things get really interesting. If you look closely at the front of the bike, you'll notice something unusual. That's right, a radar unit. And if this makes it to production, KTM is officially stepping into high-tech territory. We're talking features like adaptive cruise control and collision warning. This isn't just a performance machine anymore. It's becoming a smart motorcycle. And honestly, this is the kind of tech we usually see on high-end touring bikes. So yeah, KTM is leveling up. Big time. Design-wise, it's still very much a KTM. Sharp lines, aggressive stance, that signature futuristic look. You get a semi-faired body, a projector headlights setup, and bold LED DRLs that instantly stand out. The riding position, upright like an adventure bike, but still sporty enough to feel engaged. So you're comfortable, but never bored. Now let's talk about how this thing is going to feel on the road. 17-inch wheels front and rear, which tells you everything you need to know. This bike is built for asphalt, twisty roads, fast corners, high-speed stability. With WP suspension and performance brakes, you can expect sharp handling and serious confidence when pushing hard. This is not an off-road machine. This is a corner-carving weapon. Here's what makes the 990 SMT really important. KTM has always been known for raw, aggressive bikes, but now they're evolving. They're adding more tech, more refinement, and more real-world usability. And this bike is a perfect example of that shift. It's also pretty clear who this bike is for. This isn't aimed at entry-level riders, and probably not for every global market either. KTM is targeting riders in Europe and the US. So now the big question is, could this be the perfect all-rounder from KTM? Or even a real competitor to premium sport touring machines out there?